ears. That's right. It's the giraffe. Giraffe. Giraffes have very, very long necks and spots on their bodies. Oh, what a special animal it is! Do you know? Giraffes make sounds that sound like flute. Many of the sounds that giraffes make, humans cannot hear them. And do you know? Giraffes only need 5 to 30 minutes of sleep in 24 hours. They take very quick 1-minute nap times. Every giraffe has spots on its body exactly like human fingerprints. The tall, magnificent giraffe. Giraffe. That's our friend Giraffe.